Today we're harvesting raspberries, and if you've ever grown them, you know they can go from not quite ready to suddenly overripe in just a couple of days. That's why timing and technique matter so much when it comes to getting the best flavor and the biggest harvest from your plants. In this video, we're going to walk through exactly how to harvest raspberries the right way, how to tell when they're perfectly ripe, and a few simple tips that can actually increase how much fruit your plants produce over the entire season. Today we're heading to the raspberry patch for harvest time. The first step to a successful raspberry harvest is knowing exactly when they're ready to pick. Unlike some fruits, raspberries don't continue ripening after they're picked, so timing is everything. A ripe raspberry will come off the plant easily with a gentle tug, almost falling into your hand. It should be fully colored, deep red depending on the variety, and feel soft but not mushy. If you have to pull hard, it's not ready yet. If it's overly soft or falling apart on the plant, it's already past its peak. The goal is that perfect middle point where flavor, sweetness, and texture are at their absolute best. When harvesting raspberries, the technique matters just as much as the timing. The best way to pick them is with a light touch. You don't want to crush the fruit or pull on the cane. Instead, gently cup the berry and give it a small twist or lift. I like to just turn it a little bit and it comes right off the core. Ripe raspberries will separate easily from the core, while unripe ones will resist. Let the plant let you know when it's ready. This one I know is not ready because it is a lighter color, so I'm going to show you that it does not come off the plant very easily. I would have to pull this really hard if I wanted to get this one off. It's also important to avoid overcrowding in your hands or in the containers while picking. Raspberries are delicate and can bruise easily, so handling them gently helps preserve quality from garden to kitchen. I always make sure that I only have about 7 or 8 raspberries in my hand at a time for this exact reason. Raspberries are not like tomatoes or peppers. With those crops, you can often wait a few days between harvests. Raspberries are different. During peak season, a raspberry patch can go from a handful of ripe berries to dozens of ripe berries in just 24 hours. That's why I recommend walking your raspberry patch every day, or at least every other day during the height of production. The reason is simple. Raspberries do not continue ripening once they're picked. If you harvest them too early, they won't become sweeter on your kitchen counter. But if you leave them on the plant too long, they quickly become soft, overripe, and attractive to insects, birds, and disease. Frequent harvesting also encourages you to spot problems early. You may notice damaged fruit, pest activity, broken canes, or berries hidden beneath the foliage that would otherwise be missed. And honestly, one of the best parts of growing raspberries is the daily harvest. Even if you're only collecting a handful of berries, those small harvests, they add up quickly over the course of a season. The gardeners that get the biggest raspberry harvests aren't necessarily the ones with the largest patches. They're often the ones who show up consistently and harvest at peak ripeness. One of the most overlooked benefits of harvesting raspberries regularly is how it affects future production. When fruit is continuously removed, the plant keeps focusing energy on producing new flowers and berries instead of letting old fruit linger. Over time, this leads to a longer and more productive harvest season. In many cases, gardeners who harvest consistently will get significantly more fruit from the same plants than those who only harvest occasionally. While you're harvesting, it's also a great time to keep your raspberry plants healthy. Look for damaged canes, dead leaves, or overcrowded growth. Removing weak or spent canes helps improve airflow and encourages stronger new growth for future seasons. Good airflow is especially important in raspberry patches because it helps reduce disease pressure and keeps fruit cleaner and healthier as it develops. Think of harvesting as a chance to both collect fruit and maintain the long-term productivity of your plants. These are actually my pink raspberries, and the variety is called Double Gold. And as you can see, some of these canes are dying off. I need to come in here and I need to get those canes out of my garden so that we don't help encourage disease among the healthier canes. Raspberries are one of the most delicate fruits you can grow, so how you handle them after picking really matters. Avoid stacking them too deeply in the containers, as the weight can crush the bottom layers. Instead, use shallow containers whenever possible. Once harvested, get them out of the direct sun and into a cool environment quickly. This helps preserve their texture and flavor. If you're not eating them right away, refrigeration helps extend their freshness, but raspberries are always best enjoyed as close to harvest as possible. If you've ever wondered why homegrown raspberries taste so much better than store-bought berries, the answer is freshness. Commercial raspberries are often harvested before they reach their absolute peak because they need to survive shipping and handling. Here in the garden, we can wait until the berry is perfectly ripe and then eat it minutes later. That's when raspberries have their best flavor, highest sweetness, and that soft texture that rarely survives a trip to the grocery store. It's one of the reasons raspberries remain one of the most rewarding fruits for home gardeners. Even though I think this is a different variety from the one that I grow, I bet that they are supposed to be the same color as my homegrown raspberries. But they have to pick them before they're completely red because otherwise they won't make it across the country into the grocery stores. That's why raspberries that you eat from the grocery store just aren't as sweet and they're not as desirable as these. How many pounds of raspberries do you think this is? I say 1.5.